Wat moet ik verder voor u zeggen?
We gaan hoe voel je?
Ik voel baie goed. Verder het goed gedaan. Jammer voor NHRA wat gisteren baie seer gekry het. Ons moes al tyd sit het. Maar verder het die reis goed afgeloop. En ek is trots op my pere en my jokkies. En so ook my familie.
Nou van hier waar gaan julle?
Ons gaan van hier af terug Okanja toe. Môre gaan ons terug plaas toe. En dan maak ons reg vir die 13de Naras Racing bord.
So julle gaan nie Botswana toe nie.
Nee, ek gaan nie Botswana toe nie. Sal volgende jaar in Botswana begin ry.
Dankie meneer.
Dankie, mooi dag. Plaas in Marentia, naby Leonardville.
Het jy ook aan 'n perde kan ons kom koop?
Nee, op hierdie stadium is Ameries wat gedek is, maar hulle is nog nie gereed nie.
Okay.
So oor 2 jaar kan julle vullings kom kry.
Dankie meneer.
Dankie, mooi
Dankie.
bly.
Goeiedag. Yes, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing, sir?
I'm fine, thank
How
you.
was the event?
It was great, thank you.
How do you think about that? Where we can improve?
Better shade, better protection for against the wind, but further on everything fine.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and sorry, your commentator must be better.
Must be better.
Yes.
So must it translate or must it just be better?
Must be better.
Thank you
Always
very much.
better.
Thank you for your time. As you can see, everybody's down here. How you doing? How you doing? So where can we change you? How did it go? Did it go well? Everything must go well the way it is, or you want input? Maybe we must change somewhere else. Ernst, thank you. Okay, bye. How are you doing, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
How was your day?
Day was fine.
It was very fine.
Yeah.
So how do you think, where can we improve, or how was it? Was we keep the way it is, or must we improve somewhere else?
I think it was quite tremendous. Awesome. I think in terms of improvement, I think marketing-wise it was fine. I believe that as a crowd puller, we need to advertise more the horses' names for the public. Yeah.
Properly.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I want to ask your name because people are going to follow you.
Okay. All good.
How are you doing, sir?
Oh, fine.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
How did everything went? Did you win everything well, right?
No, it went well. We are happy. We were here. We enjoyed the day. The races went fine. The horses look good. So and healthy. Yeah. So basically, we had a good day. We had fun.
You have fun.
Yeah, we had fun.
So must we keep the way it is, or must we improve somewhere else?
It went well. So I don't know in the background what something was bad, but what we had here.
At the VIP tent, everything was smooth.
Yes.
Well organized. We must keep it up just the way it is.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
very much. King. No. Yeah, each one around here I can see Oribana Banabeka and them one.
Tu ya Kenya ndo bwana.
Moya Kenya no yubuta njeno ni mono ko omanyando po ngari duire ko manana.
Ina kawiri shimwe. Tuli boru bara ka hanja. Ngombora da kapita ndano. Mopa usha kashi bari kashi no ndimo iko mu kusha. Orena boy buru kamebuna ka freedom fighter fontrota. Mara ukambiwa na buru ko buru ke nauri.
Apo mako waite ka kambe ko waite ko Kenya hapo.
Kashi shu bright. Sidimbula.
Nukena ka kwa makeya.
Ena metse kudika marama ino ena ndatu kongoto.
Arigano. Semune badana. Ana gidene. Tikamnani.
No.
Neku munu momu ko hange shineto. Chimota yu shiro ka ndavinu ka tushende pika tumbiwe munda undina.
Itoka ina na wauri. Mavi konjo. Oya kuya meka mura kuya mutu kurandizo vichitwa ngavire mbya iruruka chinene.
Marandiziro kache.
Marandiziro ngairuruke chinene. Okushwandu tukamure kurara chinene. Ino vanhu vaikonyiteko kusha. Muna momandero mo horende thenina. Pezo kukara no kambo ka thenina no vandu kuyalisiro kakambewa ko thenina no vandu ngombadara umbu nambo utiti mona okusha upate hore namba kusha so hore namba no officially rapate. Ara hii nawa ko njiro ka ina ko mungu.
Dangi chinene. Viveri to to ngiro ko.
Yeah.
Chike munon. Gavi gabitu uno hingiro bo. Odo kansela.
Kanzelengo.
Munon. Mokoro munon. Ba bito ko dapo. Timota ka mo peri bo ya imbetwa. How you guys doing? So far so good. How was the event?
It was great, thank you. Well organized, well done, MTC. All good, thank you for everything. It was okay, it was great, thank you.
And what do you think?
Well done, well done.
Is there anything we can improve?
It's my first time, so but I want to come more. My first time, but I want to come more. Very nice. Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I can see that next to you there. I see a white smile, white teeth. Are they original or are they you were born with it? Those white teeth? Original.
We even have a dentist, he just ran away.
A dentist.
Yes.
I can see from the t-shirt there's also like grey and white. You know.
Yes.
So who am I talking to and how was the event?
This is Jonas speaking. The event was really good. This is my third time attending such an event here specifically, and yeah, I was rooting for Destiny, but no,
You couldn't find.
better luck next time. So yeah.
So is there any way maybe you might think we might have to improve?
Not really. Everything is perfect. My baby, the sound.
The sound,
Yeah.
Don't worry, work on it.
Yeah.
And actually, I heard that you're being good here. I heard you might be a sponsor of the next year event.
Definitely, we can.
So how high you might go? 1 million?
Let's do next year. Then you come
That's
back.
secret. That's secret.
Come
I'll
back
come back
next
to you.
year and
I'll
ask
make an
us
appointment
how
for
much
that.
did you sponsor?
What you guys doing?
Good, my brother.
Yeah, I can see you guys will be working here. And to whom am I talking to?
We're talking to Licious Locala. 24/7, we're on the job.
So what type of
breaks.
job you guys are doing here? I see you guys standing here only in one place.
We do protection services. We also do corporate services and everyone that comes in. So if you need help with your services, we help you, man. Yeah.
So what's the name of the company again?
We're talking to Warriors. Yeah, Warriors.
The Warriors God. Are you based in Windhoek or based in Okahanja?
We are based in Windhoek, Okahanja, Shakati, Ongwediva, Ondangwa, anywhere. We are based everywhere.
So unfortunately, you will give your number or we just have to go and search for you on social media?
We have the Instagram page. Check out our page on.
Give the Instagram page.
Yeah, it's Warrior Special Protection. Check out us. We work with a lot of corporates, MTC, Coca-Cola.
Thank you very much. Hopefully, I think everybody will be listening, will be hearing.
We
They'll
also,
keep in touch.
we also have chauffeurs, guys. Don't drink and drive this holiday. We have guys that are well trained, so don't risk. Save your life. Contact us. We give you one of the best services that you can ever get in the country.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You forgot something?
Never hesitate to give you corporate services. We got you also, man. So give Warriors a call, man.
On 081 or
081
887 1570.
There you go. You heard it. Sure, brother, man.
Thank you.
How you guys doing?
We good.
I think the event is almost done. And then, how did it went?
The event overall, the turn-up wasn't as what we expected, but the energy from the crowd was great.
Seriously? So where can we improve if we can see regarding to this event? Or we did better 100%?
No, there's always room for improvement, always. So I think for the next event that's happening on the 13th of December, I think we can do much better with the attendance. It's happening in Rehoboth.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll work on it. How you guys doing? This is a pay time. Pay time. Yeah. I don't like it the way we eat it. Eat slowly. Shabre.
Show on the news.
Who are you?
Me. Manas is my uncle.
And
I'm just here to thank these people that are here.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Who was the event?
Event is not what practice.
Where can we improve?
Where we can improve?
Yes.
I think we must look at the horses. It must be more. Some of these guys must look at the horses. It must be the form is not that great.
It's not great.
And for our marketing was not good this time.
It was not good this time.
It was not this good. But next time it will be good. That I can promise you. For all, everything was fine. No problem.
So do you want the people to come back next time?
We want the people to come back and let make racing higher. Take racing to a higher level. That's my dream.
That's very true.
To make my racing.
So I heard that there are people are going to Botswana. There's something happening in Rehoboth and Chaka. Are you guys going to be there representing all the clubs or?
In Rehoboth on the 13th of December we had a race. So both of our horses will be there, or the country's horses will be in Rehoboth, and the 1st of January in Chaka. It will be our New Year's Day race.
So I heard about Botswana.
Botswana, I don't want to talk about that.
Okay.
Because that's not on our program and stuff. So Botswana, on the Easter weekend, the Botswana race is on our program, but not this 13 December race.
Okay.
It's not our. I don't want to comment on that.
All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Sharp.
See you again.
En moet me niet kabel van achteraf.
What are you doing? To whom am I talking to? What is your name?
Ricardo.
Ricardo. Which club are you rising for?
From Berken Racing.
Fatty Club, Fatty Mike.
Berken Racing.
Ricardo. Van watter plek is hulle?
Van Gobabes.
Gobabes, man.
So jy is getrain?
Ja.
Jy is goed?
Ek is baie goed. Baie goed.
Zelle. Op die lang pad. Kom ek Zelle, iets op die lang pad. Op die lang pad. Hy is al loop. Hy is 'n groot jockey. Dankie broer.
Manuka. How was the day? How was the day? How do you think? Where can we improve?
The day went very well.
Yeah.
I'm fortunate to come from the south, all the way from Southern Horse Racing, Keetmanshoop. Yes, but we had to do a very good day there, and we had a horse on the import graduation, Delboy, on the 1,000 meters and the 1,600 meter. So we managed to get the third place on the 1,600 meter with Delboy on the import gradation. And we managed to get the main plate for the day, the 2,000 meter import open. We had a horse called Whisperer from all the way from Southern Horse Racing.
Okay.
Yeah, we managed to get the second place there. So we are, yeah.
You guys are good.
We are good, yeah.
I saw you in Rehoboth. You were dancing like nothing on earth.
Yes, we are always dancing. We are always dancing.
All right.
Because we come as strong contestants here, and yeah, all the way from the south here. Thank you very much.
God bless. Thank you, Bruno.
Shitwari nawa shinene. Mutengo mba handukire pomba. Shitwari nawa shinene. Njoroka yari nawa ka pino nyungu jakaenda po. Kambeuri mono ndo kombanda no mbwa shinene. Watuna nawa. Shitwari nawa shinene. Tue kusapota kakambeka. Ko wana shiwo mbandi yakashi yao ingamboma. Ya katupuka nawa shinene paka nonjoroka onene shinene tulimewera karu kwamba ngoriri ko mwashi wa akakuzo ko nyanda chimana ko mishaka hendo wamba oputuli mbanu bunda ya madula nawo kama tubanja njamba chadi aruka ko munjangurwa okwepa chinene
as soon as possible, then we can take it from there. The rest of the questions can come.
You say you guys are based in Windhoek?
Windhoek, Commersdal, and the number is 081-299-5289. Yes, we are doing it, and then we are here just to display our business. Yes, we are.
So what makes you guys to come here? You were invited, or you just feel like you have to get here?
We got an invitation that yes, there is a horse racing event taking place here. We decided to pay for a stand. That's why we are here today. Yes, just to display our products.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Guys, I can say the quality of the leather is. I just had to. I just got me a pair of size 9s. Yeah. 9? Yeah, size 9.
So how do you guys measure the feet of a person?
There's a
how do they measure your feet? Like
there's a fitness room here. So you get to fit it on, and one thing I can tell you also, it's very comfortable. That I can guarantee you. So I'm actually also working on a lay-by. That's for my family now, basically for my daughters as well.
Because it's December month. It's December month. Wow, the quality, you can tell the quality. I don't know how. Where do you get the goose colors? I haven't seen those colors before.
Very important, and this will go very well with the Damara Rock or your Nama rock. Herero rock also, you want to mix things up also. With your Oshivambo rock also, you see the red already there.
Arikana.
Yeah. But thank you.
Thank you very much. Amunika, mother marketing.
We are having some ice cream.
Are you guys selling?
Yeah, that's it.
And this is VSJ. Arikan, egg, ne? Hello, how are you doing? Are you good? I can see you guys are selling here. What's the name of the company?
Kanjabanga ACC Trading.
So where are you guys basing? Are you based here? Every time we find you here, or we find you here?
Yes, we are situated here.
When we come, we find you here.
Yes, we are always here. Every
Don't make people confused.
No.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah, you can see people are right here. Things are happening. Things are happening. Things are happening. How are you guys doing?
Fine, and you?
I can see you guys are.
We are braying.
You're braying. Where do you guys get the meat from?
The shop. We bought it from Duran's Meat Market.
Oh, so are you guys based here in Okahanja at this place, or you guys are based somewhere else?
We're based in Okahanja.
So do you sell like randomly, or you sell at home, or you have a business?
We have a business. We cater 3 times a week to businesses, and we do catering.
Wow. So where can you guys find you? We'll find you on social media, or we'll find you on your contact numbers?
081-2434-901.
There you go. We'll get you there.
Thank
you. You guys are always all over the world, all over Namibia, all over Okahanja. You feel me? Bye. Me pena madikiro, dos paisa. All the Buroborza. Take away.